Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonam. Today we are at Home Depot with my brother and sister and the kids. So we're gonna do some shopping here for DIY. So Jojo is actually really good at carpenting, so he's the one who's gonna be helping us.
I would have fucking done it.
So basically we're creating a small DIY table for my laptop and when I need my food, and then the second one is my shoe rack. So yeah. We're basically deciding on which wood to buy and the sizing or length.
My name is Alia.
Okay, so we have decided on the wood and now we are going to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it, Lada.
Cut it!
We're done with sewing and now we're gonna go buy the little guys, which are basically what, screws and glue, things like that. So yeah, it's exciting. We got the screws, Jojo? Okay. Hi guys, it's the second day and we are getting ready. Actually he has already started. So we are in the process of making the first thing, which is the table. So yesterday it was raining the whole day, so that's why we didn't really do much. Today seems to be really nice, so we thought let's not delay any further and let's just get the work done, right? Oh, mission kamyab. So he made a cut. He made some cuts at both ends. The rest we will see soon. Which one? We're gonna use this one?
516.
516.
This is 516.
Hey guys, I've got a bad news for you guys. So the bad news is that the table that we decided to paint kind of like a rustic brown didn't turn out to be that color. So that's the bad part. But the good part is both of them are done. So this is without the paint or any finishing oils. Who likes this kind of color? This didn't turn out so nice. What I'm gonna have to do is to get rid of this paint by, I guess, sanding, and then we'll try to color it something else. I want it just like a finishing oil done on the table. So maybe once we remove this paint, we can go ahead and just oil it up and just leave it that way. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't like this color and I'm not happy with this result. I think we should have just kept it the way it was, you know. I like the table. It's not fun when it's not the right color, but it's okay. Let's just do some jugaad and try to get this out. I think I should just Google search how to remove paint. Look who joined. Disaster. Hi Bala. I think we're gonna bleach the table. That is like the most proper way to get rid of the paint. More people joining in.
जीवन थोड़ा कागज कोरा ही रह गया
We're here to get a finishing with stain.
Is that paint remover?
It works as a paint remover if the paint is not too dry.
No, it's
Oh,
not
it's
dry.
not too dry.
Yeah.
It'll work, right?
It can work, yeah.
So we got this stain remover. It's called Goof Off Pro Strength Remover. We're gonna use this. We actually already applied it on the table to remove the paint and hopefully get it decolored, and then we're gonna use this tongue oil finish to just finish it off, and we're also gonna do it on the shoe rack. So now it's coming off easily.
Yeah.
So we are done with the finishing oil. Gonna let it dry for some time, and then we're gonna try to get rid of this thing now. Let's just wait for some time. Oh, I'm sweating, it's too hot. Alright, let it sit for a while. And then we're gonna rub, and remove the oil paint. Then I'm gonna take the shoe rack and install it in my room and show you guys how it looks. You can see here the paint is coming off. So all you have to do is scrape it off. You see? I didn't know it was gonna turn into a mess. It's supposed to be such a smooth ride. Now it's like all messed up, and it's okay. We'll get this done and we'll try our best to get it done. I was almost gonna like demolish this video, but I was like, let's turn it into a positive thing and make it into a more kind of like a failure to success video. So yeah. Okay, look at this messy area right here. I'm gonna put this right next to the wall. Let's just remove all this stuff. Alright, here it is. It's installed. Got this small little space for sandals or slippers, and then these two racks. So, yes. The table is sitting outside. It still needs to dry up, and try to remove as much of that paint as possible, but of course there will be some left on the table because it's so freaking hard to scrape it off even with that stain remover. Alright guys, so I'll see you maybe a little bit later, maybe a few hours later. Bye. So here it is. We have finally installed my cute little desk. Hey guys, so I have finally gotten my table here and the shoe rack. Both of them are now in my room and will be staying in my room for a while. Thanks to my brother Shila for helping me make this possible. The desk, it could have turned out really bad. When I first saw this desk, I was like, what did you do, Joishi? He was actually trying to listen to what I told him. I actually told him that I wanted kind of like a dark toned color for the table, and so he got that done, but it turned out to be more like reddish orange type of color, which I totally don't like and doesn't suit my vibe. But after removing the paint and trying to scrape off all the paint away from the table, we have managed to make it look a little bit more vintagey. So this video actually ended up looking more like how to turn your table into a more vintagey looking kind of desk or table or whatever you want to call it. And I'm actually really liking it because I see like the scrapes, and you can actually see some parts on the table or desk where we accidentally scraped off some of the wood part of the table, which makes it look a little bit more vintagey or like more antique kind of table. So that's why I really like it, and it actually turned out to be a pretty nice looking table. I hope you guys liked this cute little DIY project that we did this week. And the total amount I spent was $91.64 for this whole DIY project. I don't know. I don't know if it was cheaper to do it on my own or cheaper to buy it, but I definitely think that it was really worth trying out this new thing that I've always dreamed of doing or thought of doing, and I've done it, and you just feel more successful, even though I didn't do a lot in this game of DIY. But yeah, I think the credit goes to Jurishi for sure. So thank you again. I guess let's just wrap up this week's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.